In this quick video, I'll show you how to set password in laptop Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to set up password is really easy and it is a very straightforward process. For that we just need to go to settings. You can search here settings and then open settings app in your Windows 10. Then go to account section and on the left panel we need to click on sign in options. Once you are here you will see password option here. We need to tap on it and then we need to click on add. Once you tap on it, it will show you this window. Here type your new password, then confirm it, and also we need to provide a password hint for our password so that we can recover our PC if you forgot your password. Now let me type my new password here. As you can see, I have typed my password here. Then we just need to add a password hint. I'll type hint in password hint. Once you are satisfied with everything, click on next and then click on finish. Now as you can see, I have added password in my Windows 10. If you want to change your password in future, then just tap on change and it will show you this window. Here provide your current password and then you will be able to change your password. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.